So we're talking about power of a power rule. And what this says is if you have a variable or a number to a power and then you raise it to another power, then you multiply your exponents. So for our examples, we're going to show x squared to the third power, and that's just x. 2 times 3 is 6. We can do it with another variable, y to the fourth, raised to the fifth power, and it's y. 4 times 5, y to the 20th power. And then I can do it with multiple things in here. So really, I could have 5y squared squared. And this is really a 1 here. So 5, and then 1 times 2 is 2. And then the y is 2 times 2 is 4 for our new exponent. And I can do this with some other ones. I can do x cubed, y cubed. I can go ahead and square the whole thing. And I get x to the sixth, y to the sixth, because all I did was multiply the inner exponent by the outer exponent to get 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Thank you.